Good evening. This is All India Radio Kohima. I'm Jonas Yandan with evening news. The headlines. Union government says recovery rate of COVID-19 patients has reached 62.42% in the country. Nagaland crosses 700 mark of confirmed cases of COVID-19 with detection of 59 fresh cases. Eastern Nagaland People's Organization decides to forgive government without forgetting Tuensang fiasco. And Nagaland Governor upgrades Noklak ADC to DC. The Union government today said that a recovery rate of COVID-19 patients has reached 62.42%. During the last 24 hours, a total of over 19,000 COVID-19 patients were cured, taking the cumulative figure of recovered cases to more than 4,95,000. There are over 2,76,000 active cases and all are under medical supervision. Union Health Ministry said the improvement in recovery rate is the result of aggressive testing that ensures early detection of patients. Nagaland has crossed the 700 mark of confirmed cases of COVID-19 with a detection of 59 fresh positive cases today. The total confirmed cases stands at 732, out of which 428 are active and 304 recovered. In his two tweets today, Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Pangyopom said 23 cases were detected in the morning, while another 36 persons were found positive in the afternoon. Among them, 20 are in Kohima, 19 in Beren, 18 in Dimapur, and 1 each in Woka and Pek districts. Meanwhile, sources in medical department said that only one person out of the 59 detected positive today is not from quarantine center. The Eastern Nagaland People's Organization ENPO has informed that it has decided to forgive the state government for the 26th May Tuensang incident. On that day, Chennai returnees were transported to Tuensang from Kohima without waiting for the mandatory COVID-19 test results of one of the returnees who was found to be positive the next day. Briefing media persons in Dimapur today, ENPO President Kekong Chim stated that they have decided to accept the apology tendered by the state government to forgive the erring officials in the true Christian spirit. However, ENPO expressed their unwillingness to forget the incident, stating that the issue should mark the end of discrimination against the people of Eastern Nagaland. He said that ENPO will not remain passive in future if such occurrences of irresponsibility, that is, discriminatory in nature and injustice, is meted out to the people of Eastern Nagaland. ENPO has always advocated peaceful cooperation with the state government and would continue to do so in the larger interest of the people, he added. The high-powered committee HPC on COVID-19 under Nagaland government has rejected a proposal of Kohima District Administration seeking total lockdown of Kohima municipal jurisdiction for a week. In a letter to the Kohima Deputy Commissioner, the Principal Secretary Home, Abhijit Sinha, said that issue of imposing total lockdown in Kohima municipal areas for 1 week with immediate effect was discussed and deliberated during the high-powered committee HPC meeting held today. He said that HPC, after taking into consideration the views of all concerned, including the Department of Health and Family Welfare, and all the relevant facts, has decided that total lockdown as proposed may not be warranted for now in Kohima municipal areas. The HPC, however, asked the District Task Force Kohima to strictly follow all the protocols of the containment plans for all such areas where positive cases have come up, do rigorous contact tracing and listing, active surveillance and other necessary activities for prevention and containment of the spread of COVID-19. In view of the detection of a COVID-19 positive person residing at Jotsoma village under Sechu subdivision, Kohima Deputy Commissioner Gregory Tejavele has sealed some areas within the village jurisdiction in order to contain the spread of the disease infection and for necessary contact tracing. The areas are road near K. Pesia's residence till Chagasang's residence, Main Road, Don Bosco Hostel, Jotsoma, and Main Road, Till Road below Principal's quarter. In a notification, the DC said all movement of persons and vehicles within the defined sealed area are strictly prohibited and put under active surveillance. This news comes to you from All India Radio, Kohima. A joint meeting of Beren District Task Force on COVID-19 with Joint Action Committee, JASC, today decided to relax the ongoing total lockdown in the whole of Beren District from 12th of this month. The meeting was held at the DP Court, ADC Office Jaluki, under the chairmanship of DC Beren DTF Chairman Cindy Wapang Aya. Meanwhile, DC Beren reminded the public to strictly adhere to the existing lockdown guidelines issued by the state government and also to follow safety measures such as compulsory use of face mask, hand hygiene protocol, and maintenance of social distancing. In Meghalaya, the total number of active COVID-19 cases have gone up to 121 after 26 more people from PSF Umbling, Shillong tested positive. A tweet from Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma informed that all are under quarantine. In an earlier tweet, 28 people also tested positive, all from the BSF camp in Umbling. With 26 more positive cases, the total number of detected cases stands at 168, with 121 active, 45 recovered, and 2 deceased. Nagaland Governor has upgraded the existing post of Additional Deputy Commissioner Noklak to that of Deputy Commissioner Noklak with immediate effect. In a notification, Chief Secretary Demchen Doi said that the upgrading was done in continuation of the Home Department's notification dated 21st of December 2017, upgrading Noklak subdivision under Tuensang district to a full-fledged district. He said a notification has been issued with the approval of the Cabinet conveyed via memorandum dated 25th of last month. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that solar energy is going to be a major source of energy needs not only today but in the 21st century as well, because solar energy is sure, pure and secure. While inaugurating Asia's largest solar energy project in Madhya Pradesh, Rewa, through video conference, Modi said that today's Rewa has really created history. Rewa has been identified as Ma Narmada and a white tiger. Now the name of Asia's largest solar power project has also been added. He said that the people of Madhya Pradesh and the industries will get electricity from this solar plant. Even the metro rail in Delhi will get its benefits. Referring to the energy needs of the country, Modi said that as India is moving towards the new era of development, our hopes and aspirations are increasing, so our energy and electricity needs are also increasing. In such a situation, he said, self-sufficiency of electricity is very important for a self-reliant India. The solar park has been developed over a total area of 1,500 hectares by the Rewa Ultra Mega Solar Limited. Nagaland Minister for PHE Jacob Zumomi will grace the COVID-19 pandemic Brave Front's accolade organized by Nagaland NGOs Forum and Vivekananda Welfare Foundation, which will be held at Dimapur Town Hall, Half Nagajan, on 12th of this month. DC Dimapur Anup Kinchi and Commissioner of Police Rotihir Tetso will also attend the function as guest of honors. The program will also be marked by launching of Arijit Sharma's COVID-19 tribute song and felicitation of Brave Fronts. And now 20 news, here are the main points again. Union government says recovery rate of COVID-19 patients has reached 62.42% in the country. Nagaland crosses 700 mark of confirmed cases of COVID-19 with detection of 59 fresh cases. Eastern Nagaland People's Organization decides to forgive government without forgetting Tuensang fiasco. And Nagaland Governor upgrades Noklak ADC to DC. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.